Okay, so now we are looking at doing it on a graph, right? It adds in a little bit more difficultness. So what I want you to think about, all right, what I want you to think about is picking a point. It doesn't matter which point, but you have to pick one point, all right? So I'm going to pick W. So if you picked V, doesn't matter. We should get the same answer. Same with you, all right? Now, the other thing you need to think about is this is UVW, so this does not have the apostrophes. So this is the pre-image, that's 1. And then that means this is the image, that's 2. So I'm starting at 1 and I'm going to 2. Remember when we did slope and you had to follow along the lines on the graph to get those numbers? That's kind of what we're doing here. The only difference is, right, we are using plus and minus as opposed to, well, how many boxes is up and down? How many is it left and right? We have to kind of think about, am I going up? Am I going left? Am I going right? So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And it's going up, so that's going to be plus. Then we are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I went up and over, so that is plus 8. If that doesn't make sense to you, you're like, Wednesday, how do you know when to stop? Just, you can do your lines, okay? You can draw your lines to where you meet, and then you can count the boxes. Remember, we are only counting boxes. So when we're talking about down here, right? X is left to right. Y is up or down. So if we're talking about left to right, we're talking about here. So this would be my 8. And then up and down is 9, so that would be my 9. All right, let's try another one. We're again going to pick 2 points. Again, we're going to pick 2 points. This time I'm going to pick you. Okay, again, some people were struggling with how I got that last time, so let's make my triangles right side. All right. Now, we are going to, again, if it makes more sense, we can go left to right first, since that number goes first. So this is, this is STU, so this is your pre-image. This is S prime, U prime, T prime. This is your image. You are starting at 1 and going to 2. You are starting at 1 and going to 2. So we would really be going from here to here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And since we're starting here and going here, that would be -10. Starting up here, going down here, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And again, we're going down, so that is -11. The nice thing is they have the answers for us. Makes it kind of easier for us here, right? So left to right is 10. Up and down is 11. All right, what do you think about this one? Okay, let's pick 2 points. What do you want to pick? I was leaning towards B. But we could do A, we could do C. What do you want to do? We'll go with B, my original thought. All right, I'm going to connect those again, just to make it easier on all of us. You are going to have to be able to connect these yourself, though. You're going to have to kind of see where they would intersect, right? Think about how I started with the things last time. We are starting at A, B, C, and going to A prime, B prime, C prime. So starting here, going here.